Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Message Corner. I am Mukul Sharma, subject teacher. Today I shall discuss about conjugate of a complex number. What is the conjugate of complex number? Let a plus ib be a complex number. Then its conjugate is denoted by z bar, and z bar is equal to a minus ib. Note that this seen in the imaginary part will be sense. If there is plus in the conjugate, there is minus. If there is minus in the conjugate, there is plus. As for example, some example, there is conjugate of 4 plus 3i is, we can write is 4 plus 3i bar, and this can be written as 4 minus 3i. There is plus 3, so there is minus 3. Conjugate of 5 minus 7i, that is 5 minus 7. Imaginary part is minus 7. Here imaginary part will be plus 7. 5 minus 7i bar, this is 5 plus 7i. It is a conjugate of 5 minus 7i. Conjugate of 3i minus 4, it is 3i minus 4 bar, and it is minus 3i minus 4. This is not 3i plus 4 because sign of imaginary part will be sense only. Again, the conjugate of 3 is 3 bar, that is, and we have to write it in a plus ib form, that is 3 plus i0, and that is conjugate 3 minus i0. Ultimately this is 3, and the conjugate of 4i, that is only imaginary part. This is 4i bar, and this can be written in 0 plus 4i in a plus ib form. Here plus 4i, therefore there is minus 4i. Ultimately this is minus 4i. This is the conjugate of 4i. This is all about the conjugate of complex number. Next I shall discuss about most important, that is Argonne plan. That is, what is the Argonne plan? Argonne plan. What is Argonne plan? We know that a complex number has two parts. One is real and other is imaginary. In the complex number z is equal to a plus ib, a is real and b is imaginary. Taking the real and imaginary parts, we can form a pair for every complex number. This pair is called conjugate pair. প্রত্যেকটো কমপ্লেক্স নম্বরের কারণে আমি এটা পেয়ার পাম, আর পেয়ারটোকে ক'ব, পেয়াৰ জোৰ পাম এটা, আৰু সেই জোৰটোকে ক'ব কনজুগেট। ইংৰাজীত ক'ব কনজুগেট পেয়াৰ, আৰু অসমীয়াত ক'ব ক্ৰমিক জোৰ। Let example 2 plus 4i be a complex number. Corresponding to this complex number, a conjugate pair is, corresponding to this complex number, conjugate pair is 2, 4. That is, real part is 2 and imaginary part is 4. We can now plot this point on xy plane. We can now plot this point on the xy plane, taking x-axis as real, but here the x-axis is real axis and y-axis is as imaginary axis. The plane in which we can represent a complex number geometrically is called Argonne plane. এটা পয়েন্ট জ্যামিতিকভাৱে যদি আমি এখন প্লেনত উপস্থাপন কৰিব পাৰোঁ এটা জটিল সংখ্যা, আৰু সেই প্লেনখনক ক'ব আমাৰ আৰ্গন প্লেন. Some example here, this is plot minus 2 plus 3i, 0 plus I, 1 minus 2i on the Argonne plane. And there is we have to find out the conjugate pair of this number. The conjugate pair of 2 minus 2 plus 3i is minus 2, 3. Therefore here we have to plot this point on the Argonne plane, that is a minus 2 plus 3, that is 0 plus I. This can be plotted in the plane also. 0 plus I, here conjugate pair is 0 1, 0 1, therefore we have to plot it in as as 0, that is 0, 1 is positive, therefore 1, this is 0 1. 1 minus 2, that is 1 minus 2, 1 is 1 minus 2 I, their conjugate pair is 1 minus 2. We have to plot this 1 minus 2, that is 1 minus 2. 2 plus 4i, this can be also plotted as 2 as conjugate pair. Here conjugate pair is 2 4, therefore 2, that is 4. In this way, every complex number every complex number can be plotted in a plane, and this plane is called Argon plane. Next, I shall discuss about modulus of complex number, that is modulus of complex number. Let z is equal to a plus by b a complex number. Corresponding to this complex number, conjugate pair is, we have already got that. Corresponding to this complex number, conjugate pair is ab. এই জটিল সংখ্যাৰ সাপেক্ষে এই জটিল সংখ্যাটোৰ অনুৰূপে ইয়াৰ কনজুগেট পেয়াৰ ক্ৰমিক জোড়টো হ'ব ab। এতিয়া আমি ab আমি কি কৰিম, আৰ্গন প্লেনত যদি আমি পুট কৰিম, আৰ্গন প্লেনত যদি এই পয়েন্টটো আমি বহুৱাও, তেতিয়াহ'লে কেনেকৈ পাম? There is e, length is a, in the x coordinate there is a, and y coordinate there is b, therefore length it is a, and this is b, and the point is, we have marked it as p, therefore it is ab. This point is ab. Now if we join o to p, then length op is called modulus of the complex number. Modulus of the complex number, and it is denoted by op is called the modulus of the complex number, and it is denoted by modulus of z, or we can write it as r. Sometimes it is written as r. Now we have to find out what is r. What is the value of r? That is, what is the value of modulus of z? We see that the triangle OMP or OPM is right angle triangle. Here this length is OM is a and PM is b. Since this is right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem we can find the value of OP. This is OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square. That is, OP square is equal to OM square plus PM square. We just change the point is AB, therefore OM is A and PM is B, therefore A square plus B square. This is OP. We can, if we represent it as R, length of OP, then it is R square. So R is equal to root over A square plus B square. Therefore, we can write z is equal to a plus ib implies modulus of z. We can write it also as r is equal to a square plus b square root over. Now, here is one example here, that is find the modulus of 8 minus 6i, that is 8 minus 6i. Let z is equal to 8 minus 6i, therefore modulus of z is equal to 8 minus 6i modulus, and this is according to this formula, real part square plus imaginary part square. Here real part is 8, 8 square, imaginary part is minus 6 square, Therefore, h square 64, 36, 100, this is 10. This is the modulus of the complex number 8 minus 6. So, this is all about the modulus of complex number. Next class, I shall discuss argument of complex number and some other more problem about modulus and argument.